Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to see about the project online custom drawing and sketching. Abstract. Abstract. Online custom drawing and sketching management system is a computerized system used to store and retrieve information and conduct transaction related to customer requirements for drawing and sketching. User part is used as a front end and administrator is the backend. An admin can add, update and delete the drawing or framework details and also view the customer details. It will allow the customers to view dashboards and allow new customers to sign up for online access. The system allows the customer to search for drawing that are available or customize their requirements. The system displays all the drawing details such as types of drawing and framework details with prices etc. After searching, the system display list of available drawings and allow customer to customize the drawing. Then the system is allowed to upload the images for sketch or drawing from the customer and they can order the check their payment after order their requirements. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram. There are two modules in this project. One is admin and another one is customer. First, admin have to add update drawings and admin have to be add and update drawing details like drawing title, drawing image, dimension, orientation, drawing type and size etc. And after admin have to be add and update frame details such as frame title, frame images, frame type, size, frame materials and have to view the customer details who are registration for any drawing or frames or order with um, prices and admin can edit the about us and contact us page for user viewing purposes and admin can view and edit the profiles edit their profiles as they wish. Next module is customer. The user can view the added drawing images by an admin like drawing images title with the price. The user can registration and login before the order drawings. The user can enter their details for registration and login with the username and password. After that, user can order their needed drawing and frame with customization. And also the customer can leave the page after process completed. See about the project output. This is our index page of the online custom drawing and sketching project and now I'm going to enter the admin details. The admin have to log in with their username and password for accessing their modules. And now I am giving the username and password for their admin. As an admin, click the login button for accessing their modules. Their modules are update, edit, delete drawing details and also edit the frame details and also manage the customer details and also manages the about page and contact page. In this dashboard, there are one total customer and total drawings are 5 and 2 total frames are added by an admin. Now I am going to add the drawing details from admin side, giving the details of drawing. The title is drawing not food and choose any images of the drawing and dimension is 1200 cross 750 and orientation portrait or landscape. I am giving the landscape and size is large size and drawing type is I'm giving prints, painting, and the drawing medium is fiber, steel, metal, oil on canvas, oil on linen, hand printed on practical wood or MDF. I'm choosing wood and bronze. And the price, I'm giving the price of the drawing, not for. I'm giving the price and the description also to be giving by an admin. Now I'm going to submit the drawing details. All product details has been submitted. Now we have to see the added drawing in manage drawing page. The reference ID is generated by an admin automatically, and we have to edit the drawing images or title, dimension, so and so. And we can delete the order, we can delete the drawing details from admin side. And now I am going to add the frame details. Frame not 4, and choose the frame image, particular frame, and the dimension is 1200 cross 750, and giving the orientation for landscape, and given the size, and also frame type, gallery frame, modern frame, floating frame, and tabletop frame or photo holder. I'm choosing photo holder, and given the frame materials as wood, metal or plastic. I'm giving wood, and I'm giving the price, and click the submit button to store the frame details. And we can view the added frame details in manage frames from admin side. Now added frame details are in this module. We can edit and delete the frame details as they wish, and we can admin can view the customer details, view the details. The admin can purchases. The user can purchase the added frames or drawings from user modules. Now admin can edit their profiles. We cannot edit the username and email ID. We can edit the contact details and admin name also. Admin profile has been updated, and they can change the password, and we can give current password and new password for confirm password. And to change the password, fill out this field. We have, and admin can log out this from this module. Now customer have to log in with their username and password for accessing their modules. Now the dashboard will show the added drawing details will appear in this dashboard. We can view the particular drawing details and dimension, orientation, size, drawing type, drawing medium, and also view the drawing description. And we have to order the drawing. Now I am going to give the username password of the user. If there are no login details of the customer, create a login from registration. I have already a username password, and my name is admin, and the password is test at 123. Now click the login button and view the dashboard, and click the action view button where we can view the particular drawing detail. And I'm going to order the drawing from customization. With the customization, you have to choose the one particular drawing image, and we have to given the dimension and orientation for landscape or portrait, and size will be given. The size is small, and the drawing type I'm going to choose the painting, and with or without a frame we have to given. I'm choosing with the frame, and the frame materials will be given as a wood, and I'm going to order now button. The drawing details are and the payment will be shown. The order payment is 2500. We can enter the payment mode and pay now. Click the payment now. The payment process successfully completed. The message will be shown, and the customer details. After ordered, a customer order, admin can view the customer's order details, and user side have to log out for leaving this module, and admin